الله أكبر.
ہم ہی میں تھی نہ کوئی بات، یاد نہ تم کو آ سکے، تم نے ہمیں بھلا دیا، ہم نہ تمہیں بھلا سکے۔ ایسا ہو کوئی نامہ بر، بات پہ کان دھر سکے، پڑھ کر یقین کر سکے، جا کر انہیں سنا سکے، اور تم ہی نہ سن سکے اگر قصہ غم سنے گا تو۔
Khan was born in 1952 in Rawalpindi and died on February 18, 2021. He did his early education at Islamia High School in Rawalpindi and completed graduation at Gordon College in Rawalpindi. He received LLB degree from Urdu Law College, University of Karachi in 1997. Political party, Pakistan Muslim League, N. He joined Pakistan Muslim League, N, in 1990. In 2009, Khan was elected to the Senate of Pakistan as a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League, N. In 2015, Khan was re-elected to the Senate of Pakistan as a candidate of Pakistan Muslim League, N. In January 2015, he was inducted into the cabinet of then Prime Minister of Pakistan Nawaz Sharif. In August 2015, he was forced to resign as the Minister for Climate Change. In 2017, Khan appointed Minister for Climate Change for the second time. Upon the dissolution of the National Assembly on the expiration of its term on May 31, 2018, Khan ceased to hold the office as Federal Minister for Climate Change. He had been member of Senate of Pakistan from March 2009 till his death in February 2021. He was the backbone of his party Pakistan Muslim League N. We always miss him. He was the great man.